33-year-old dental assistant missing from Hughenden, Kingston 20. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 33-year-old Stephanie Porter, a dental assistant of Silver Road, Hughenden, Kingston 20, has been missing since Saturday, May 24th. She is of brown complexion, medium build, and about 152 centimeters or 5 feet tall. Reports from the Hughenden Park Police are that sometime on the mentioned date, Porter was last seen in a pink blouse and black shorts. All efforts to contact her since then have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Stephanie Porter is being asked to contact the Hughenden Park Police at 876-933-4280, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.